My name is Brett Armstrong. I'm a general surgeon working with AdventHealth North Pinellas. So a general surgeon is really made to be a jack of all trades in surgery, but specifically we mostly deal with hernias, gallbladders, appendixes, colon, small bowel surgery. Technology continues to progress, and now surgeons are learning how to do robotic surgery. AdventHealth North Pinellas is at the leading edge of that, having 2 brand new Da Vinci Xi robots for us to use for our patients. Growing up, my family was in medicine. My father was an OBGYN, my mom was a nurse practitioner, and so medicine was always in our family. I had no interest in going into medicine until my senior year of high school when I shadowed an ER physician and then later shadowed another physician who is an AdventHealth surgeon, Dr. Canella, and that got me interested in the field of medicine. I'm Brett Armstrong. I'm a general surgeon with AdventHealth North Pinellas, and I'm looking forward to taking care of you and your family.